Hi, thanks for watching this video from Dubbers Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have our Honda CRZ 1.5 Sport Coupe. So this is a manual hybrid. So these are only £20 a year to tax, and they do fantastic miles to the gallon. So this one's got the same owner since 2014, and it's just got one former owner before there. The current owner bought it as a pre-approved Honda from Honda. It's now covered 43,166 miles, and that's backed up with a service history. It's due a service now, so we'll provide it with a service and with 12 months MOT. It's HPI clear, like all our cars are, and it's got both sets of keys. So the video is just really to give you an idea of the condition. It is black, so it does have a few marks here and there, but nothing worth mentioning for the age. And as with all our cars, we can offer part exchange, warranty and finance. It's clean and tidy inside as well. So any questions, as always, if you'd like to arrange a viewing or a test drive, just drop us an email or give us a ring. Thanks for watching.